I just dropped my daughter in school now, and today's their class party. Yay!
I gotta keep up, no time to let to drift away. I fill my space, I spend my time down the rabbit hole again. And as I fall, I can feel the pain. You can't tell me where to go, so I don't know, I just go with the flow. I go with the flow. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo.
Sorry, come on, please.
I'm out of love, but I guess I deserved it. Trying to hide, to pass it by. I'm getting down, I'm feeling fine. I'm light as air, no one can reach me. Lost in a dream, lost in between. Let's keep on flying, let's keep on breathing. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. You've been shattered, you've been broken down. Heart is beating, still won't make a sound. It feels like an angel straight from heaven, just like my lucky number 7. You're my shooting star. We're running round in circles. Love feels so invincible. Feel you when there's no one around. Your beauty's so amazing. I will always hold you down. Your heart will be kept safe and sound. But I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. You're the picture perfect, you're on my mind. Painted. And I don't wanna lose what we've got tonight. Baby, 'cause your love's like a dynamite. I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. I can feel your heartbeat to save it. 'Cause your love's underrated. 'Cause your love's underrated. And I don't wanna lose what we've got tonight. Baby, 'cause your love's like a dynamite. I don't wanna love you when I'm faded. I can feel your heartbeat to save it. 'Cause your love's underrated. Deep in my heart, I know you're irreplaceable. Together, unstoppable. And I feel your frequency, feel your love around me. I'm drowning in my mind. some space while I'm trying to find my place in this world. In this world. Broken home and tired eyes, never chasing for new highs anymore. I don't think I can pave the way with only dreams of yesterday. I realize nothing more than just a memory. How can you be understood when you cannot understand anymore? Feeling it over the line never helps you doing fine anyway. I'll try to keep it casual, but I'm still staring at the wall. I've let it all slide on my own. Maybe I've finally grown. Don't wanna look the other way when everything around is great. Maybe we'll meet again someday. I know we'll meet again someday. I realize nothing more, just a memory.
I see what he loves about you. You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything.
Yes, yeah. People have not woken me up since. My baby girl. My baby girl.
You're so perfect. Hope you know that you got everything. That's what I'm hard. And if I'm being honest,
Yay!
that's what I'm hard. I'm
another bag. No big one, just another extra nylon. Something like that. For 2 extra nylon. The drink is not supposed to be on top of it. The drink is getting hot. So you just tie down one separate, then you do another bag. You put the rest in this thing. Hey guys, hi, the sun is sunny. Let me face this with you. I just dropped my daughter in school now, and today is their class party, if you have been following through, and I got biscuit for her classmates. They are just about 11, so yeah, I got biscuits, and for the teachers I cooked rice. You saw it already. I fried plantain, and I fried meat, and I fried chicken for her 2 teachers. She has 2 teachers in her class. And I went to the POS now to withdraw cash so that I can put it in the envelope for the teachers, but 2 times now I tried and it's not go through, so I don't know. I don't want to try the 3rd time. I don't even know if I've been debited already. So this is the food here. I'll just put it inside this bag for the teachers and go right in. The second plate, and then the 2 drinks. Yep, I hope this is good enough. Where is my purse? Then over here, I don't know how much I have, because seriously I intended giving them 10,000 naira each, but as it stands now, I got 2 envelopes for the purpose of that. As it stands now, maybe I have one of her teacher's phone number. That's the person I communicate with more often. Maybe I'll just ask her for her account number instead and give the other teacher the cash. Honestly, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's just 8,000 naira here. Sad. I don't know, honestly. I will just put it inside the envelope for the teacher. I'll send the other one 10,000 naira. It's her luck. I don't have any cash, and in the state of cash like this, the state of cash in this economy is not even smiling at all. So you guys, I don't know if I would vlog that part, but let's just go. Oh, say hi. Your nose. Kisses. Hey.
Ka jira ni bara a jera